Hello, my little chocolate fingers. How are you today? Good, I hope. Oh, today I'm going to do a 50p. I like 50p rings, they're nice. I like the hair, Charlie. You've got big ears, mate. Oh, Charlie. Charlie, how's it going, Charlie? You having a good day, mate? Right, first of all, we need to punch a hole in him. Nothing against you, Charlie, but that's what happens when you make a ring out of you know. Hope everybody's doing great. Mr. Wonderful is spotty dog today. Let's go over to Big Bertha and see what she's got for us today. Here she comes. Right, that's that. Right, what we got? What do we got? Yeah, I was went around the old mother-in-law's last night, you know, for a bit of the old din-dins and stuff. And she was saying she's going to stop eating eggs. I says, why? What? Well, obviously my girlfriend translated it. I said, why are you going to stop eating eggs? Because she doesn't want to get bird flu. That's a good one, isn't it, eh? Yeah, why not? Yeah, she doesn't want to get bird flu, so she's just going to stop eating eggs. It might work. More chance of it snowing in the next 10 minutes, though. Just cleaning the edges up with Christy Burr. This is a deburring tool. Right, that's pretty good. So I will just anneal this. You've seen all this before. So I'll just stop this and anneal it for you. Back in a minute. Okay, I've just annealed the coin. If you're new to the channel, you haven't seen me before, annealing is just heating the coin up so it's a bit more malleable. Malleable, great word, love it. So now we want Dimples. There he is. And we're going to go this side, sunny side up on the ring. So this wants to go face down, you know, a little doming block called Dimples. And we'll go over to Big Red. And we'll give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1, 2. And then we want one of these. This is a 17-degree folding die. That looks pretty sexy. You just want to make sure it's nice and level. And our little cone. Right. Oh yeah, beautiful. So there you go, that's the first fold. Looks like a crown, doesn't it? And then you want to get a piece of sandpaper. You just want to check to make sure there's no cracks or splits forming there. Otherwise, when you come to stretch it, you're going to split your ring. And who wants a split ring on a Thursday? There you go. That's pretty sexy. Right, I will just I will give it another bit of a love with Bernie. I'll just anneal it again, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, I've just annealed it again. Looking pretty good. So now we want to go over to our best friend. Mr. Spike. He's a ring stretcher. And he stretches your ring. Right. Kitchen roll just protects the inside detail of the coin ring. Give it a bit of a turn each time. It stretches the ring equally all the way around. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll have to make you one. Christmas is coming up. They make great gifts. You know, yada yada yada. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of rings in there. I can adjust them up for you, up or down. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. See that bow? It wants to go. Hey, bit of poetry there. The bow wants to go. This isn't for anybody in particular. It's just me making a ring, but if you like this ring, let me know. Oh, there you go. There's no bow in it. But I'll make it a bit bigger. I can make this quite into a big ring if you're looking for one. Right, there you go. No bow, just cone shaped. So now I will give it a bit more love with Bernie. I'll be back in a sec. Okie dokie. There you go, it's annealed again. So now I want to go down to the bottom end of Spike, or I call it the arse end of Spike, and these are reduction dies. I put a bit of coconut oil in them, so things move around a bit more easily. And we're just looking to straighten up the walls. If you bought a ring from my shop and you wanted it adjusted smaller, I put it in this little gizmo. Look at that. First time. Lucky. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Right. There is a little bit of a lip in there. See that lip? We just want to cut that out, or it's uncomfortable to wear. And it gives you a full sizing. Have you got any suggestions or any questions or anything you'd like me to do? Except bugger off, because I'll never do that. But you've got any, you know, coin rings or coins you'd like me to turn into a ring? If I've got it, I'll give it a go for you. You don't have to buy it. I'll try to make at least 4 videos a week. And I've changed the filming because it used to take my girlfriend so long. Now all she does is stitches them together, because I sort of cut it myself. So it makes her life a bit easier. She loves me a bit more for doing it for her. She's lucky she's got me, isn't she, really? I mean, like I say to her, I've only got you. Nah, she's a darling. I love her to bits. She'd be lost without me. Right. This is David Dremel with Kate Bush installed. And you're just looking to get this fire scale off. This is very similar to Quad Zero steel wool. It doesn't really scratch the coin, it just cleans it up, gets the fire scale off. Makes it look a bit gorgeous, you know, like me. 'Cause you're gorgeous. I am partial to the Edwin look, which is what this is at the moment, or will be when I finish And I know Bear, one of my subscribers, a good friend of mine now, he likes the Edwin look as well. How's it looking? That's nice, isn't it? I like that look a lot. Yeah. There he is, Charlie. All right, Charlie, how's it going, Charlie? Or Chaz? Chaz and Dave. Anybody remember Chaz and Dave? If you're from the States, you wouldn't know who Chaz and Dave was. Right, they weren't my cup of tea, really. I thought that was a bit sad, but a lot of people liked them. Right, let's take out the one and only Kate Bush. We shall install Felton John. Oh, Nikita, you'll never know just how much I love you so. What the hell am I talking about? Right, now the fun part. Now if you prefer the Edwin look, all I have to do is run over it again with Kate and you'll get the Edwin look. It's like a satin look. But instead of satin, we decided to call it the Edwin look because we like to be a bit different on this channel. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of this video. If you hit that, things happen. Don't ask me what. I know nothing. I read it in the book. There's a bell icon, you can hit that and you'll automatically get updated every time I upload a video. It lets you know. It's all magic to me. Well, if you hit the subscribe button, I don't get any money out of it. It just helps my channel grow. So come on, show me some love, you know what I mean? We can all do with a bit more love in the world. I think that is more than sufficient. So why am I still going over it then? Stupid boy. Right, let's clean off the mingers and have a butcher's. Right. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, it's a dull old day here today. About +4, +5. Drizzly. Cloudy. Very dismal day today. Yesterday was blue skies. And lovely coloured cloth here, nice turquoise. Matches my eyes on a Friday evening. I don't know why I say that, I don't go out Friday evenings. I usually go and have a couple of scoops with my friends on a Sunday afternoon from about 3 till 7. You know, to have a crack with the boys. Right. How's she looking? I do coat on my rings as well. I clear coat them. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Bit of the old, but Jesus, a bit of the old Irish harp there, sir. At all. Scottish thistle. Yeah, sexy. Right, what size have we got? You always measure from the reeded, milled side. This is reeded, but no, it's not. This is milled. You always measure from the milled side, reeded side. What bloody side am I talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Right. This is a size 10 3/4. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. Fits this finger absolutely perfectly, as you can see. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button for me, please. Show me some love. And Alan, yeah, I was only pulling your leg the other day about the £2 coin. I know you got £2 coins. Just me taking a piss as usual. But yeah, have a great week. Keep smiling. Don't let the bastards get you down. And I'll catch you on the next one. So bye bye.